Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you a very important thing about Vastu, how to take the directions. Lot of people, they don't know that how you have to take the directions of any property, which is actually the basis of Vastu. If the directions are not correct, the analysis can be incorrect. So for taking the directions, you have to get the magnetic compass, or you can even use the mobile app. Though I always prefer this magnetic compass over the mobile apps. Now when you have the magnetic compass, we all know that the needle, it always points towards the north direction. So you have to put it on the floor. Now you have to be very careful that when you are putting it on the floor, you are not carrying any mobile, or you don't have any metal table, or you have to keep it away from any electronic devices. When you will put it on the floor, we all know that this is my tentative north. So you have to put it straight with a north-south straight axis and let the needle come to rest. When the needle will come to rest, it will show you the degree of the north. In this property in which I am sitting, this is a straight 90-degree north, so there is no deviation in the needle. But let's say if your property is deviated to 10 degrees or 20 degrees, so this needle will be 10 degrees or 20 degrees or 30 degrees deflected. So in that case, you know this is my straight north-south compass line, and you know that this is my tilt of the needle. So you can actually calculate the degree of your property. And once you calculate the degree of the property, that is the actual north. You have to be very, very careful while finding the north of the property, because as I have already said, that it is the basis of any Vastu consultation. Thank you.